And there are lots of questions surrounding the case against Larry Millete. Joining us now is local defense attorney Stefano Mileo. Stefano, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
What does it tell you that it took 9 months for the case against Larry Millete to develop to the point of an arrest today?
Whenever there isn't a body, the case proceeds by circumstantial evidence, and that's what the DA stated today. Obviously, it's an ongoing investigation, and so in these 9 months, they attempted to build up as much circumstantial evidence as possible, understanding that inherently, when we're talking about indirect evidence, there's always a danger that the jury may not appreciate whether or not that meets their burden.
What does it really mean for you being in that courtroom as a defense attorney when there isn't a body? What does it mean for the case?
Well, what it means is it provides an additional opportunity to attack the state of the evidence. And so typically, whenever a case like this presents itself, there are 3 potential defenses. 1, Larry didn't do it. 2, the evidence isn't there to meet the beyond a reasonable doubt standard. Or 3, he did do it, but there is a legal excuse. In this case, it would be a heat of passion, which would then bring the case down from a murder to voluntary manslaughter.
During this 9-month investigation, Larry Millete became a person of interest. What does it really mean as a person of interest in terms of, does it change his day-to-day life, or legally, does it change anything?
That is simply a title that's given. It's a term that's used, but frankly, he became a person of interest from the very moment that his wife was reported missing, the very moment that her family became worried and didn't buy into this notion that she had left the family. And so as a defense attorney, there's always a concern about someone in Larry's position making any kind of statement, because even though someone may not be calling him a person of interest, we know that that is certainly going to be the case.
Right. Thank you, defense attorney Stefano Mileo. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.